I definitely snack at work a lot, so this is definitely a very easy way for me just to come here quick, grab my food, and then run back up to my desk. We have about 250 employees here on this site, and then we do have tenants that use this as well. So it's about 300 people total. And our focus really is more of a call center, and we are open, 7 a.m. all the way till 12:30 a.m. the next day. So it is nice to have this option available for people who work at all hours.
It gave us a variety of food options and drink options that were not available in a vending machine.
I have not heard the term micromarket before it came here to PCI. We had a vending machine before in the older building, and it definitely got used a lot, which means things were not stocked as easily and things were depleted. But coming here, obviously things are a little bit fuller and we can get what we need.
Staff don't have to go out and grab dinner late at night, or if it's 9 o'clock and they're hungry because they missed supper because they had to run here after class. They just stop down here on their 10-minute break, grab something really quick, and head back up.
The healthier options, we try to have a healthy option month here in May, but it is nice to see that, every day looking at that healthy option as a snack and trying to stay away from the candy bar and the chips. There is no maintenance that we have to do. If there's ever an issue, us or the employees can just call the 800 number. Then a rep comes here and they fix what they need to fix, and there's nothing that we need to do as far as in-house servicing.
Our staff has liked it so much. They enjoy the flexibility of having all the variety and the ease of use that it's a no-brainer. Why not have another benefit that costs you no money?
It's quick, convenient, so I definitely would recommend it for that aspect. And it is stocked. It's really easy to work with Bernick's to get everything ready for us and for our business needs.